how it has recreated the image. Cool, right? Hi friends, in today's video I am going to talk about a super exciting AI tool called Nano Banana. This is not an ordinary AI tool. It is a powerful platform that can create creative contents and visuals in few seconds. If you are a student, a content creator or a designer, you should never miss this AI tool. I'll show you how you can access Nano Banana in two ways. The first way is to go to gemini.google.com and just open this page. I'll share the link in the description, and from there just go to this drop down, and from here just select fast all round help. Now from here just click on this tool and then select create images. Now the second method is to go to this link, that is Google AI Studio, aistudio.google.com. I'll share the link in the description. You can take it from there. And you have to accept the agreements. And from here, just click on Try Nano Banana. Now you can start using from here. So I'll start with some examples. So I'm uploading an image. I'm using a prompt that is create an image adding a person using this computer. So in this image, I want to recreate it with someone using this computer. So I'm running this prompt. Just wait. It's cool. You can see it here. It's generated. You can see that this is the image which I have uploaded, and this is the output. It's cool, right? So anything is possible using this Google AI Studio or Nano Banana. So from here you can straight away download it, or you can turn on your Google Drive so that this will be saved to your Google Drive, and in future you can use it for your editing purpose. Now I'll try a few more things. I'll try it with this one. From here I'm going to add an image. I had one of my old image. Now I want to make it colorful. Recreate this old image to a colorful new image. I'm just running. See, you can see it here, how it recreated the old image to a beautiful colorful image. So you can download it, and I'll open both images side by side just to have a look at it. So here you can have a look at it, how I recreated my old black and white image into a new colorful image. So we'll try more from here. Now I'm going to create a combined image. For that, just add the first image. And after that, you have to add the second image. Now you have to enter the prompt. Download it. See. So there are limitless possibilities using this Nano Banana AI. So hope you have enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like and share. Thank you.